Hi, it's Sensei Adrian with Great Start Karate. Today, I'm going to show you the proper way to do a front kick. So our front kick, my guards are always up. I don't want to drop my hands when I'm kicking. My back leg comes up and I'm raising my knee. We're balancing. My foot comes out. I kick it out. And a retraction for our kick is that when I bring it back. And then I can put my foot down. So let me show you from the side. My back leg comes up, knee is up, kick it out, and there's my retraction, and then I can put it down. So I'll do a couple towards you guys. Back leg comes up, I'm balancing, kick, put it down. Other leg, balance, kick, put it down. This side, do a little faster. The more we practice, the better our kicks get. Out, and there's my retraction. Good job. I'll give you one big one with a ki. Ready? Hi-ya! So those are your front kicks. Get those legs up, kick that foot out, and our retraction comes straight back. Keep up the good work. Keep practicing. Thanks, guys.